Hi everyone. Now I am going to demonstrate the interfacing of DAC, that is digital to analog converter, with the LPZ2148. So we are using the IAR embedded workbench for compiling the program, and we are using the FlashMagic software to embed the program into the LPZ2148 microcontroller. So we need a DSO or CRO for visual view of the analog signals. So we all know the process. So digital signal is converted into the analog signal. So we give the parallel signals. That is, we can also call it as parallel signal is converted into the serial signal. Okay. So in this kit, we have the inbuilt ADC. So this is the analog output pin. So in that pin, we want to connect it to the CRO so we can view the analog signal output. So we can go, just open the IAR embedded workbench. This is the IAR embedded workbench home window. So we want to create a project. So click project, create new project, and then click OK. So you want to save the project in a location. This is a digital to analog converter. So I'm name it as DAC, then save, then click OK. Project workspace is created. Then we want to type the C code for converting digital to analog. So I'm having that code. I just copy that and paste it in the programming window. So these are the libraries for LPZ2148. We included the library in the first. Then I'm giving for loop for values. These for loop will give the digital values. Then the digital values is converted into the analog signal. We have the inbuilt DAC converter. So pin 25 is the analog output pin. So this is the program. We want to save the program in a location. Click file, then save. Name it as dac.c, then save. So we want to add this program into the project already we have created. For that, click project, add files, then add dac.c file to the project. In the left hand side, you can view the file is added in the project space. The next is we want to add the linkage files and compiler files. For that, click project, options, the option window will get open. In that, enable the device. We want to select the device. The device is NPX LPZ2148. Select the device and enable the code. Then next, select the output converter. Enable the generate additional output. Output format will be Intel extended. Then enable the output override to create the HXE file. Then click linker, enable the override default. Then we want to add the linkage files. The linker file, the name will be LPZ2148 flash.icf. So click that file, then open. The file is linked, then click open. So next we want to compile the program. So for that, click project, then rebuild all. So save the file as DAC, then click save. The compilation process is going on. So it is showing that error is 0 and warning is 0. So now we want to embed the HXE file that is generated. HXE file is generated for this program. So we want to embed this HXE file to the ARM LPZ2148 kit. For that, we have to use the FlashMagick. Just open the FlashMagick software. This is the FlashMagick software window. In that, select the COM port 3. I am connected the LPZ2148 kit in the COM port 3. So baud rate will be 9600. Then the device is LPZ2148. So we want to select that HXE file that is generated. So select the HXE file that is generated in a project phase. We created a project in a folder. So in that folder, HXE files is generated. So select that HXE file and click open. So now click, I will just reset the board. Then click start. So you can view the messages finished. So the DAC program is embedded into the microcontroller. So now you want to switch on the execution side and reset the kit. Then you want to connect the CRO to the A out pin. Then you can view the output of the interfacing DAC. So after resetting the program, I am connected CRO in the analog pins. Okay, the analog analog output and ground signal. So you can view the signals in CRO. So like this. So we wrote the program for generating the ramp signal. That's why you are getting the ramp signal output. So this is the output for interfacing digital to analog converter using LPZ2148. Thank you.